Yo, yo. I know we're a bit early today. Man, let's keep it down. NFP Friday. Definitely want to be base hitting today. Definitely don't want to be here, but I am here, so make the most of it. Morning, Kai. Morning, AB. Isabel, did you trade NFP? No, I did not. Why is it so dark there? Right now it's 6:05 a.m. Like the sun doesn't come up for a bit. Normally when I'm streaming at like 6:30, sun is normally like rising. So I have to turn the ring light on. If I turn it off, then you guys can barely see me. I'm gonna grab some evals right now, off screen. I went kind of retarded and blew a set of evals last night in Asia, and my 3 trade of 5 with 2K balance after I took the payout. So that was a bummer. So I told myself I will lock out of Asia. I wrote down like a couple stuff, but yeah, I'm gonna lock out of Asia, and I have a couple other stuff I'm gonna do, but yeah. What's up, Matthias? Good morning. Same cop into Flex. Flex is the best plan if you ask me. Flex is so good. Man, we're just giving back a lot of this move, huh? I guess that's how NFP is, right? Normally takes out like both sides. I wouldn't be surprised to see us go down. But then again, I also want us to go up. It's more free money when we go up, but it's fine. We'll make money either way. Are you in different time zone? No, I'm Pacific time zone. Well, yeah, probably is different to you. Pacific time zone, I'm here in California, so sun is not out yet. Just giving this move back. I mean, if I can get a pullback, I might short it. Let me just buy these evals real quick. Gotta replace the army. Short it with like what, 5 micros? Mini maybe? I can see it pull back into like 790. Might take that. Yeah, but I'm just so done with Asia. I do not want to trade Asia anymore. There's no point. I just want to relax. What's the point of trading Asia, man? Just waste of time. And I blew 3 accounts, so I just needed. So those 3 accounts, I just needed 5 days of like $400, and would have been another like $6,000 payout. It's a bummer, but I have 2 more accounts. I'm requesting tonight for 6K. It'll be like a 12K week, whatever. But it just sucks, man. It just sucks that traded Asia, threw on some size, just cooked my accounts. Could have got us another $6,000 paycheck if I was just disciplined. So don't want that to happen again, for sure. Lock in, gotta lock in. Should I put a sell stop at 60? No, this is the wick high of NFP. It might be a little tricky around here, if you guys can see. But I'll just wait for pullback. Unless we don't care and we just dump through. Very possible. Alright, got my evals. Right now we're just making our way down. Do I just hop in? Okay, I mean, I'm gonna try and hop in here. Don't know if I get filled, but let's see. Don't think we get our fill. Were these same ones you took a payout from yesterday? Yes. So I got my return out of them, but it just feels bad. It's retarded. It is so dumb, but yeah, we didn't get the fill here. We're down 30 points from our limit. Maybe it curls up here a little bit to like 762 maybe. I'm just trying to get a continuation short here. I mean, it seems pretty brainless. Yeah, it seems fine if you ask me. Just gotta go and fill me. We're just moving lower. I just put a sell stop. I feel like I get like bottom tick and it just pumps if I do, so I'm not gonna do that. Just wait for the pullback. Because if it's a pullback, then if it pushes through like a previous swing, then you're invalid pretty quickly and it's nice. But if you get short down here, it's tough to manage risk, and all you can do in trading is manage your risk. Protect the downside, the upside follows. I like to do, and we're just dumping now. It's fine. We have more opportunities, I guess. Would you rebid prior day high? Where's prior day high? 686. No, just because it's NFP just like shot through it. Um, I would wait for the retracement of NFP low, so that would be like current value probably somewhere around like 650s. Um, I could see maybe a potential bid off of 676, the NFP body. It's just, it's a news candle. Gotta be careful. It moves a bit differently. I mean, I like the idea. It's not bad. You can see the failure to break above prior day high. I mean, we didn't even get close, and then we just shot straight through. I could see us retest and, hold. Yeah, it's not a bad idea at all. Not a bad idea. It's just the NFP candle's right there. I feel like that's more of a stronger magnet that could pull price down a little bit more. So I'd hold off on that if I was taking that trade. That isn't to say, it doesn't work. It could work. I just don't feel as confident, so I'd rather take another setup when presented. Look at the 5 minute, literally just full retracement mode right now. The reason I started stream earlier today is I'm gonna try to figure out deep charts, once I'm done trading my eval, like live on stream. So I'm gonna try to set it up and everything. And I'm gonna do it here with you guys. So I thought that'd be a cool idea. What's up, John Wick? Shiver Trade says Dubai when? Uh, Dubai. I don't know, bro. You think I'm that rich for Dubai? I don't know, bro. I don't know. When it happens, I guess. No, but probably like next year or something. Or like the year after. I would go there for like tax stuff. Okay, pull back here. Let's wait for this candle to close, potentially. You could see like all the other previous times, the candle was a strong candle and like you could have waited for the close and it would, you know, go up a bit more. I mean, it's just simple stuff. It's not like advanced terminology, but yeah, just based off of what's been going on. There's been a green candle, another candle opens, goes, trades a little slightly higher and then dumps. So we'll see if we can get a nice trade here. Moving my order down, but I'm probably gonna mark it in when this closes here. We'll see, we'll see. Okay, got short. And stop out wise, well, I'll give it 10 points. I think that is fine. First trade of the day. We'll see how it goes. We're 12 minutes before the open. I'll give it 15 actually. I think it might need a bit. Okay, never mind. There's bottom tick or top tick. When do I move this break even though? Probably when this closes underneath, huh? But yeah, I'll give it 15 points. I mean, I like the reaction so far. Ideally, I would have liked it to just close under this green candle body. I just want to move to break even. But yeah, I'm fine with the stop out right now. $300. I can recover this eval if it stops. At least, I mean, I would potentially like us to go down for this Friday high, but more so NFP low. Based off the reaction we're getting here, I think I get stopped out. But you never know, the 5 minute just closed, could just straight dump down. Because ideally I only wanted to see one green candle or like, yeah, but it's looking a little sketchier, can't lie. Yeah, I think we get stopped out here. It was a solid attempt. Uh, maybe not. Reverse psychology, the market. Tell it I think I'm getting stopped. It doesn't. No, but hopefully that trade made sense. I mean, it was just like a basic eyeball trade. I don't normally take these type of trades, but I don't see any other way to get in on the selling train. I had to use the old noggin. God, just go down so I can move this break even. Hold on, guys. I'll answer chat after this trade. A bit locked right now. We also have 8 minutes for open. It's looking a little bit sketchy. Need it to go down. I'm putting it back to 10-point stop. I think it makes sense. All right, I think we actually stopped out here. Look at how it's moving. Just creating like lower highs. Damn. Yeah, I mean, it tried. I guess they just don't want to let this go lower for now. Probably does it at the, actually, I don't know, at the open. NFP, it's tricky. Do I just take a small paper cut here? I don't really like this trade anymore. But it's only 10 points, so I'm just like conflicted. I just let the idea potentially play out. Yeah, it's 10 points, man. It's fine. If I get stopped, not a biggie. Let me check out the chat. What's the bias? Oh, dude, I don't know actually. My bias was short, so I try to hop in, but then when I hop in, we can't get through the NFP candle body high. After all this selling, obviously it's got to get exhausted somewhere. Morning. What's up, Vince? What's up, Anna? Maybe it works. I don't know. I'm still in it. It's also like 6 minutes into the open. I kind of want to tread a bit carefully. Come on, just break the. This is good, right? I mean, I broke this like trend line. You know, it's bad when I'm drawing trend lines, trying to like mark up every confluence known. All right, you know what? I'm gonna exit this one there. I don't really feel too confident. It ain't looking that good. Nor because normally the trades I enter either go my way instantly or not. I mean, I understand this is pre-market, so obviously it's not gonna move the same way I want it, but nonetheless, get me out of there. I don't like it because it's bad when I'm drawing trend lines. That should not be happening. If anybody sees me draw trend lines, just slap me. Just say something in the chat like, "Oh my God." Okay, well, I would have got stopped and then it would have worked. Not worked. I just would have been up. Yeah, totally fine with that. It's fine. Pre-market, you know, gave it a shot. Gave it a shot. And right now here, trading a bit under the NFP body. See if we can get through this. So yeah, if anybody's joining stream currently, I'm gonna try to figure out deep charts on stream. I know I've been talking about it for a bit, but I figured why not just try it on stream and try to figure it out with you guys once I finish trading for the day. It's just shopping. I mean, we'll see what happens at the open. We got 4 minutes until this is probably straight pumps. I mean, I have no clue. I have no idea. It's rare when I have no idea. So I'll just react. Normally I have a bias. Well, I mean, I do want to see NFP low get taken out. That's for sure. That's like my only sort of bias. I want to see us trade down to 42s or like 16s potentially. Take out these wicks. And then beyond that, I just have like 600 as a target. And then, you know, if NFP really does take out both sides, well, maybe the overnight low, like, I don't know. Something like that. 2 minutes to the open. We are dumping. Someone was asking about prior day high. I don't think it holds, but the fact that we're a minute off open, maybe it holds, maybe it wicks into it. I don't know. I don't think so, personally. Tory trendline? Yeah, bro. I mean, it was kind of cooking. You would have just got manipulated. Well, where's my stop? I mean, I think I would have got a stop top. Yeah, I think I would have. Here we go. A minute. Fifteen seconds. We're now wicking off the prior day high, but I don't think it's like actually gonna hold. Maybe. What the hell? Just wait for it to settle down. Give it like a minute or two. It's always too wicky right at the open. Man, whoever was trying to bid prior day high would have got like a lot of points. See if it holds again. It probably will. Alright, another minute or so, and I'll start looking at this pretty seriously, see what it offers. Damn, prior day high. Yeah, I saw the potential there. I didn't think it would actually play out, man. What the hell? Insane. God damn. That's diabolical. Alright, looks like we're going for the overnight high. Maybe we take trade into that. That's what I'm thinking currently. I'd have to see you get a little closer though. If this candle is strong, I think I might try it. Yeah, I might try it. like 8 10s maybe. I mean, maybe I could enter off a pullback as well. Okay, let's try it. Oh, what was that fill? Horrible fill. That was a horrible fill, man. Oh my god. I'll put it at the wick low, but that's a lot of stop out for this eval. Let's just hope we're correct on bias and our entry doesn't matter, no matter how shit it is. 30-point stop, bro. You guys know how much I hate taking this much of a stop out. But we'll see if we can find our way into the overnight high. Nope. No, sir. No overnight high. Try it again if it gets over like 820. Show like some strength, I guess. But if this dumps here, I mean, I would assume we go for prior day high and try to break that. The reason I longed is because we bounced off prior day high and we're, but God, NFP, bro, it's, I need to get that loss back. I gotta profit on these evals. Are we really gonna dump and give all this up? Yeah, I don't mind it, but just curious. We didn't go for the overnight high. What's ES doing? Let me check out ES. Today's one of those days where I actually gotta lock in to find some trades. It's not as easy as some days, as most days. Hope you guys are staying safe out there. Man, this is tricky as hell. Okay, so current bias was invalid. It's testing the bias now, so you'd want to long around here and you want to see this hold if you're trying to long. But I think this breaks, no? The fact that it gave back this much, trading back in the NFP candle, tried to. NFP candle is in here. We're still in the NFP candle from like 717 to, yeah, I mean, I think we go short here and try to catch the move down. That's what I think. All right, I'm gonna fill it short, right? I was waiting for uptick. Yeah, right there. Okay. See if this plays out. I really don't know how much stop to give these trades. I think I might just be cooked on these evals. Like 50 points? I don't know. It's like my eval will be 75% blown. And it feels like I should size down in this volatility. 2K drawdown can't really survive this, bro. It's not looking good at all. I just entered a bit too early. Damn. Damn. Yeah, Let's put it here, but I think I get stopped out. Oh, yeah, yeah. I genuinely think we're gonna go for the NFP low, but I don't know when or how or what type of trade I need to take to find myself into that. Like, I just know that I need to size down though. Okay, like it's working, but like it's probably gonna wick out. NFP Fridays bending me over currently. This trade has a chance to unbend me, but I don't think it wants to do that. Like this stop out is so big, right? But it feels so small. Like I feel like it could get just wicked into and taken out. That's when you know you gotta size down. Just because you just can't run a static size every day, you know, it's market conditions change and today is NFP Friday, so here I am forcing a mini, I mean, it's just eval, but it's gonna blow and that cost me money, so ay ay ay. If this trade hits stop loss, it's pretty much wraps. I have like $400 of drawdown left. Hmm. Chop City, man. Come on. Please, I need this. Gosh. Man, I could exit for a loss, but and then if it goes, I'll probably just be like pissed off, so I'd rather. Yeah, I mean, I don't even know. Like, look, one candle is gonna run like 50 points and stop me out. Yep, one candle just ran over 50 points. God. We're up 80 points or so in 90 points in 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Trade Nate, what up? I need some comms, bro. I need some comms. I can't get anything going right now. I don't know what to even do. It's not. I mean, long off prior day high was the move. We only got one test of it, and then as we got close a couple times, I thought it'd break. I mean, we find ourselves in the NFP candle. I see this all the time. We trade the low of NFP. We don't this time, and just blast up 100 points in 3 minutes. Yeah, I don't know what to make of this. Nice reaction off 813 though, opening range high. Do we go down now, maybe? 100 points down in 2 minutes? Very possible. I think that happens. And there's no way we stay in this range, right? I mean, there's no way we stay in this 100-point range. Wow. Guys, are you guys seeing this? We're down 100 points in 2 minutes. Yeah, I'd size down if I were you. Just long again, I guess, at 715. Just a 100-point range. This is like scalper's paradise. Catch both ways. Man, really are just trading back up, huh? Oh my god, just 100-point range. We'll see which way we break out first, I guess. I don't know what else to do. I'd hope lower. Took that short, small risk. Yeah, that's what I should have done. Smart man. I mean, well, I have just been playing this range on my personal on the side here with like 3 micros, and I'm up $750, so makes up for the eval spend, I guess. But Yeah, it's crazy. These moves are just crazy. These are my executions, but yeah, it's all over the place because I'm just buying and selling in this chop. You know, like right now, I'd probably sell 800 with like 4 micros. This is live market. It's my own account. I don't know if I want to trade this eval anymore. You just full screen this. Is that possible? Right now, looking to get short at 800s. Typical after news day. Yeah, I don't know, bro. It's a tough day for me. Made back my evals, but at what cost? Today was supposed to be base hit Friday. I mean, that kind of went out the window with me trading Asia, but I got a base hit on my other 2 accounts that need money for payouts. So got base hit somewhere, and going forward, I just want to base hit everything on Fridays. Because you also want to protect like mental capital going into the weekend. Like you don't really want to feel tilted going into the weekend. That's like the worst feeling of all time, which I kind of feel right now. So I'm struggling in this action. And it's like this action is so bad that I won't even consider marketing in here. Like I'm sure it could work, but like if I don't get my limits, like I'm not entering this trade. There we go. Why is trading my live account easier than the eval? Make this make sense. Take some runners, hopefully. Trim, come on, let me trim one for 45 points profit. Okay, trimmed one, holding on to 3. Maybe we should have taken everything for 45 points profit. Still think we go lower. I mean, we have such a great entry. That's why. I mean, my 4 micros is not gonna move the market. Or 3 micros. It's just like a fly in the wall. You know what would be insane though, is if we just sell all the way down here to like my ultimate TP. My ultimate TP would be like here. Maybe we can try to hold a runner or something, but I do want to be out most of it. We're up 50 points on this trade. Do I want to see this go red after a day like today? No. But I have such a good entry, so this is the dilemmas of a trader. There's not just green and red, there's the in-between where you're just like feeling exhausted and yeah, I mean, I'm not voicing my thoughts very well, but hopefully that makes sense. There's like, it's not just black and white, it's sometimes gray. You're like, you're up 50 points, you protect the green, you have your ultimate TP, but you'd rather just get cash to the bank and just walk. Yeah, I don't know, bro. Maybe trim one for 50. Okay, that makes me feel less like now if this hits stop, it's like okay, fine. And at this point, let's put a stop like here. So we end up 1K on the day. Yeah, just part of the game. You win some, you lose some. Come on, we push sell now? Yeah, I mean, I hope so. I want to see us push sell. What a chop it's making inside bar since opening. Exactly. Exactly. Look at this range. Break us down, you know? Provide something spicy, something juicy. You know, I know it's just two micros, but I talk about this all the time. As long as what you talked about plays out, it doesn't matter if you're in the trade or not. You feel good about it. I would feel amazing if this dumped here. What is what's going on here? Okay, prior day high. If we rebid off this, I might just like I don't know what I would do if we rebid off this here. I might just crash out if we rebid off this here. Took one off. Took one off. I don't want to crash out, so I'm fine with holding this now. I just want to see my bias play out. Please take out the NFP. Might as well hold this, no? Maybe that was a bad idea to hold. We were up 150 points. Maybe that was a bad idea to hold. So guys, if you're wondering how you should trade a personal, this is how. Like you want to get good at capturing longer moves, so just size down. And eventually, eventually, yeah, this could be 10 minis. And at the end of the day, it's all scaling, right? Relative to your account balance. So, yeah, yeah. Just take me out. I don't care about an extra 10 points or 20 points. Okay, just don't make me crash out. I don't want to crash out. So 1.4K on the day. You guys saw me trading like 4 micros, right? It doesn't take much. We're up 150 points. No, we're up more on this trade. Each contract was more, but yeah, like if I sized down like this on my evals, I would have been just fine. Instead, I went one mini thinking it was normal volatility. I got absolutely, but okay, I can't say that. I got absolutely rinsed. So it's all about position sizing. Well, did we run the NFP low? We did on MNQ, but on NQ we didn't. Or did we? No, I think we just wicked it. Draw a horizontal ray. Whoops. How do you work this platform? No, I think we just touched it, yeah. MNQ wicked below though. MNQ is more liquid because obviously people don't have capital, right? So more people are trading MNQ and it just moves. It's a little more wickier just because there's, a little more manipulation going on because the amount of like volume and traders and whatnot. I mean, I don't want to like be philosophical, but it would make sense, right? If a lot more people are trading, there's more wicks and stuff. I guess I don't know, but yeah, it's wicked out. But I'd want to see 618. I think that would happen, but yeah. DLL before I catch this one. Exactly. I mean, I'm gonna buy one more attempt on those accounts. Okay, you know what? If I can make another like $400, I'll buy another. Oh my God, we're just pumping back up. I do not know what to expect with NFP, man. I don't feel comfortable putting more risk on, but yeah, 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 yeah. What the hell? Could have shorted 700 potentially. Do we try it and then risk getting bent over? That's what I'm worried about. I'm not even worried about losing. It would have worked. I mean, I'd be up 20 points off 700, 30 points, 35 points. I guess you just gotta. I just don't have balls in this volatility. A lot of times you guys will see me take trades and like I see the reaction, boom, I'm in. I just don't have any balls in this volatility today. It makes sense. I mean, it's not fun to trade. Yeah, 50 pointer. That's what I would have needed with 5 micros. I would have bought more evals. Oh yeah, yeah. But yeah, speaking of evals, I know I don't plug my code, but if you guys buy at Lucid or Tradeify, just use code BLACK. It's helps a lot. Actually, I'll show you exactly how it helps. I'm not just gonna say it helps a lot. I'll show you exactly how it helps. It helps you actually. I'll show you exactly how it helps. So with Lucid, um, I've made $210 off of you guys using my code. That's not a big amount. Literally mogged that in the personal today. But anyways, when we hit $500, I get to give away these 2 accounts. $1,000, I get to give away these 3, 4, 5 accounts. And when we hit 1,500, that's the main thing, is I get to ask them to give me accounts to give away, which is amazing. So yeah, earnings, it's whatever. We just need to get to 1.5K. So please, if you guys buy at Lucid, use my code, and we will be giving away accounts. I can give away like accounts every week if I want. So I want to do that. So please, 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 if you buy at Lucid, just use my code BLACK, code BLACK. And at Lucid, the best plan would be the 50K Flex. It's a 2-day pass. That's what I use to make 27,000 in 15 trading days with $455, 5 accounts, and all I did was, I'll legit tell you exactly all I did. I mean, it's on my Twitter. I have a P&L page, but I made 3.3K the first day, and I just did like days of 200 to 300 every day for like 14 days. And that netted me a max pound every 5 days. So it's pretty OP if you ask me. I think I have a P&L stat sheet here somewhere. I mean, obviously those accounts are blown now. Well, they moved me live out of those accounts, but can I find these maybe? I don't think I'll find these. Damn, I'm going through my most popular. It didn't get a lot of likes. I swear it did. Or did I delete the post? Okay. Well, 700 was the trade. Unfortunately, I was scared. Happens. It is what it is. Um, we got 26 people in here, 25 people in here now. That's insane. Well, one of them is me watching the stream, so that's insane, man. We got a lot of people tuning in here. Oh yeah, I don't need this light anymore. Turn it off. There's so much natural sunlight. Do you think they're about to run it back up? Um, yeah, potentially now that we took out this low. Potentially. But it's NFP. I could definitely see that. My targets wise, well, let's go back to Ninja Trader. So if you look at the overnight session, the way we are building value has been higher and higher. So like look at the volume profile. We didn't even reach the value area low yet of the day, so this is looking like we're gonna send it higher. But then if some volume comes in and sends us lower, then I mean I'm giving an argument for both ways, but I feel like that's how trading should be. Um, unless you're really strong on the buys, which I was, the shorts, and now, now that's been taken out, we have to reevaluate and see what could happen. But yeah, I think I nailed the shorts. Just got wicked out a bit up here on the eval, too much size, but the personal was fine, as you guys saw. Caught 150 points with my last runner on one micro. I mean, it's one micro, but it's like $300. It's a lot of money. Um, straight cash to the bank, right? But with 4 contracts, I think I caught over like 250 points on that trade, which is awesome. It's a good feeling on a day like today. Um, Normally I'm catching 100 points with one mini, but this will do. I'm very happy with execution on the personal, but unfortunate on the evals. Yeah, it was a shit open. Shit open. Look at this. Does this not look disgusting? Target was clear. I mean, I was biased. I mean, I was saying that from the beginning of the stream. I wanted to see NFP low. Um, and I voiced it out in the trade. I knew I might get caught in some bullshit before that happened, just because it's NFP. Targets wise, you can't say I'm not goated with the targets though. But we still have to do deep charts. I'm debating whether I buy those evals and just try to get a day in on them. There's no more trade really though, so that's the thing. What to do, what to do. I might just set up deep charts. We will make you big influencer. Oh, um, how long have you been living in the States? So I was born in India, moved here when I was very young. So about all my life, most of my life. I'm 22 now and almost 23. And my parents moved me here when I was 1, so obviously I don't remember anything, but you know, that happened. They told me. So, you know what would be cool is if you could remember like your memories as like a toddler. That'd be like kind of cool. Like remember your mom like um cuddling you or your dad like I don't know, like holding you like I don't know. I mean, it sounds kind of weird, but um that'd be kind of cool. Because I don't really have much I mean, I don't have like any memory of stuff. I mean, no one does really of stuff like when I was that young. It'd just be cool, I guess. Definitely would be cool. Uh, have you been to India in recent years? No. I might go sometime next year though. Now that I'm a trader, I make my money. I make money myself, and yeah, I'd probably go sometime next year for a couple, 2 months or so maybe. I mean, I have a plan like to go there, but we'll see. We'll see how it plays out. Come on, please. Please go down. I'm in a short on this eval here. Just need like 600s, I think. No, I need more. This is the eval. Obviously, I've blown the first one. Nice. Shorts are still in play, I guess. That was a two minis trade. I sized up, obviously. I mean, I get to go up to 4, but sized up two minis. Sized up to 2. If I went 4 and I took like a 10-point swing or like 20-point swing, I would have been blown. So it makes no sense. So at least those evals are half passed. I'm gonna take my goddamn time on Monday. Pass those up. CPI is coming up, if you know what I mean. Whoops. Opened up my Pokemon game. Take that out. Don't want to be playing Pokemon right now. I'm streaming. I don't know who would stay and watch me if I played Pokemon. It's actually really fun. I would love to stream and play Pokemon. You know what? Maybe we should do that later. Or not today, but some other time. Drop a drop something in the chat if you'd stay and watch me play Pokemon. It's like Clash Royale, but it's the only game I play because I'm just bored of any other game. I don't play any games pretty much. I mean, I'm too busy filming content and streaming every day and trading every day and just working out every day and just chilling on my ass every day. Like, I don't know. But yeah, who would watch me if I actually played a game on stream? Obviously not like for 5 hours straight, just like for 10 minutes, like one game or something like that. I don't know if anyone knows Pokemon. Okay, well, we are still dumping, I guess. Do I have anything else I can open up and trade? Take yo, hit some chest and shoulders today. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I gotta hit some chest and shoulders. 100%. 100%. I will definitely be doing that today. Um, Health is wealth. It doesn't matter if I make all this money. All that matters is, staying alive and being healthy. People buy like Lamborghinis, but you yourself want to be a walking Lamborghini first, right? You want to eat clean, you want to treat your body as a temple, and you want to keep your mind stress-free. So you want to be taking stress-free trades and not be trading this bullshit action all the time. If I was to short anything, I would do it at 6:15. I would give it a limit and try. Mm. Where are you from in India? I'm from South India. I speak a language called Tamil, and I'm from Tamil Nadu. It's not many people know about it. Let's play Repo sometime. Bro, I don't want to play that horror game. I'm telling you, bro, I'm so burned out from games. I used to game a lot, but ever since I started doing content and stuff, just I don't know. I've been in like a locked in phase. I have no time for games. It doesn't interest me in the slightest. All I want to do is work, 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 work. Just make money, gym, go sleep. I don't know. It sounds depressing, but that's what genuinely excites me. Like when I got out of bed this morning, I got out really early and I was like, let's go make some money. That's like the only thing that gets me going. All right, I think it is that time of the stream now where, like I said at the beginning, I'm gonna try and get deep charts and try to set it up so we can use this for the stream going forward, right? I want to set up all these levels. I'll explain to you guys, all these levels as we set them up and include the big trades and stuff. So let's get it. If you guys, I don't think I'll be trading anymore on stream. Obviously, I'm still gonna be looking at charts, so I'll be calling stuff out if I see anything. But, if you guys are here just to watch me trade, then thank you for joining. That'll probably be it for me. But now this part of the stream, the last like 10, 15, maybe 20 minutes. I don't know how long it's gonna be. I'm just gonna chill here with you guys, answer any questions, and try to figure out deep charts on stream live. So let's get it. So yeah, feel free to leave if you guys are still trading or whatnot. We're just gonna be chilling here. And yeah, you guys can ask me questions, whatnot. Whoops, is that personal information? I don't think so. It's just my license key. Keep and launch, okay. So yeah, I trade funded seed on here. I'm like a day from passing these. Um, so yeah, that's good. But let's try to set this up. So I know a lot of you have been asking me about order flow. So bro, if we buy account using your code, will you be able to do more giveaways? Exactly, yes. Exactly. That's why I ask you guys to use my code. Especially at Lucid. Once I hit a certain quota, I get to give away accounts like for free. So please, 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 please. If you find any value in the streams, just, feel free to use the code. But here, let me change my just keep this here, I guess. I just won't trade it. So, what should we do? Let's just strip everything on this chart and let's go to the basics. Like, what do we need? What do I need? I need my overnight levels, right? Let's do that first. So let's figure this out. Price, that shows price, okay. I don't want to see this like white line thing, so is there any way to take that out? Price mode? No, okay, I don't know. This platform is so customizable. It's so much better than NinjaTrader. That is for sure. Oh, there we go, price line. Okay, nice. Now let's strip everything. Let's take all this random stuff out. Delete. Yeah, delete that. What the hell is that? And I don't really like the color scheme of this. Let's try to change the color. I want like the ICT scheme. I buy Apex account. Apex, bro, in the Big 26? I mean, I have affiliate code with them, but it's not on the bottom of my banners for a reason. I mean, I've got paid out with them. It's just, I just, Apex, bro. There's easier firms to get paid out at. Because Apex isn't flex, is it? There's consistency, and that's the biggest thing. So the less friction to get paid, the better, right? So here's a question. Here's a tangent. So when you're trading and you're trading an account, you want to eliminate as many bad things that can happen as possible. So for me, like if I'm on TPT and I'm over the buffer and I have one good session of trading, let's say I just make $800 on one session. I mean, I made 1,300 off of 4 micros today. I've made 10K in a day over there many times. But anyways, sorry for the flex. Anyways, what I'm trying to say is if you have one good session, you make like $800, you withdraw that to the bank right away. And let's say you go on a streak, you have 3 good sessions, you make 800, 400, 500, and you get to withdraw all that to the bank. There's less friction to pay out. So friction to pay out, less barriers to pay out is what you want. You don't want consistency, you don't want daily loss limits, you don't want um like minimum days. Obviously most firms have it except for TPT. You don't want anything. You strip down, you literally make money, withdraw that night. That's your ideal account. And that's at TPT. But the only issue is they have trailing drawdown to start off. So it's not a firm you'd want to be starting off at, but it'd be a firm you scale into for sure. Um, but as far as starting off, all you need to do, minimum days is fine. It's super easy. Like all you need to do is days 150. You literally throw one micro, or sorry, one mini, and you're fine. But the best plan to get paid out is either Tradeify or Lucid, the flex plan. Um, you just make 4K. You don't even need to make 4K. You know, you could literally go on the account and do 5 days of like 300. That's 1.5K. You take $750 paid out to the bank. You paid $100 for the account. You just made 7 times return on your money. Um, so that is the way. Is a flex account is the way to go at any firm. And obviously you'd want to choose the two biggest reputable firms, Lucify and Tradeify. Lucid and Tradeify, which is why I have them down here. You guys think I'm just promoting the firms in my banner? No, I have a reason I'm promoting the firms in my banner. Funded seats, eh, it's they move you live quicker, but it doesn't mean they don't pay you out. They pay you out, so that's why I have them here. Anyways, let's get back to this. But yeah, like Ivan said, Apex has too many rules and reasons not to pay out. That is also a big issue. A lot of people charge back Apex. You wonder why. But ICT, I really like ICT color scheme. ICT chart color images. It looks clean as hell, if you ask me. Yeah, so I want this. I want this right here. No, no, no. I like the green. God, what the? Yeah, I like that. I'm gonna try to recreate this. Clean. It's clean. It's clean. So let's try to get this done. Let's try to move fast as well. So border. So I guess everything's black here. Apply. Okay. It already looks a little bit sharper if you ask me. Yeah. And bull fill is like green, but it's not like this green. It's like a forest green, foresty green. Just go custom. And once I build this template, if you guys want it, of course, I'll share it with you guys. That is totally fine. Let's try this. Yeah, it looks ICT. I need the white background though. I don't know how to do that. Let's figure this out first. And then this one is just black. Okay. Yeah. Now we need to figure out how to do the background of the chart itself. Value background? What the hell does that mean? Okay, save that. Chart background, maybe it's in properties? Yeah, there we go. Okay. Let's go to border color. Is that the one? Just copy this in case I mess it up. White. Oh, that's the border color. Okay. Back color. This is the one, I think. Oh, that is so bright. I can't. That's so bright. I can't. It's so bright, man. This is like blinding my eyes. Does this look good though? Hmm. Is that the ICT background? No, it's like a beige, I think. Let's try this maybe. That's not as clean though. It doesn't pop. Let's try this, bruh. Whatever. Whoops. Did I just crash the system? Yep. I just crashed deep charts. Okay, maybe this platform isn't as good as I thought it'd be. What the hell? And we have to do everything over again? Oh, I'm about to lose it. Thank God I was only like 2 settings in. Like, holy cow. Oh my God. Okay, quick speed run. Delete, delete, go here, price line, apply. This is the best part about building your own chart, is when shit hits the fan, you know exactly what to do to, what the hell does that do? That did something. Oh, that's what that does. Just takes the trading panel out. Okay. And then properties and go here and make this like that. Apply. Oh God, this looks disgusting on this. This looks horrible. And you go to price here, you go to subgraphs, border black, border black. Wow, I'm surprised the speed I'm moving. Oh my God. And black, apply. Okay, and the green just needs a bit of work. The green, let's go like ICT color, forest green. How do you build this? I'm gonna save my progress right after this as well. Apply. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Save, and let's save this chart for now, just in case it crashes on me. How do you do that? Oh, save as. Save as master black. So if you guys want the template, I will send it over. Can't type. Save as new. Okay, and I don't need these values up here, so how do I remove that? Properties. I know I saw values somewhere. Must be here. Where was the values? I saw it somewhere. I am not tripping. I know I saw it. It's in the subgraphs. Value background. Value label. It's not doing anything. Okay, whatever. We'll figure out a way to get that out. That's not a big issue for now. It's just unnecessary. Like I don't need that. Yeah, I don't need that. I'm sure like someone knows how to do this. Yosh probably knows how to do this. You can backtest? What the hell? Okay. Yeah, so I mean, I like the way the chart looks right now. Maybe I make the text on the side bolder. Yeah, I'll do that first. Text color, obviously put it to black. Apply. Yeah, it's better. Border color, should we make it black? Yeah, nah, let's make it lighter. Let's go like that. Apply, nah, that's trash. Oof, I want to customize it to the way I like it. There's a lot of customization. Try this maybe. Yeah, it's all right. Keep that for now. Grid. Do we need a grid? No, that looks so bad. That looks disgusting. I'm gonna build my own custom indicators as well. So we'll see how that plays out. Extra. Can I put a name here? Master Black. Where does that show though? Okay, never mind. Oh, maybe it's in the grid. No. Let's take that out. It's fine. All right, now let's go to the interesting stuff. Let's go to the juicy stuff. What we're actually here to do. Too bright? Yeah, I know, but it looks so clean though. Yeah, it is bright. I might change it, but if ICT does anything right, well, it's his color scheme of his chart. That's about the only thing he can do. Yeah, it's clean though. It is clean. It helps me see targets cleaner, I would say, compared to like my ninja chart, which is over here. I mean, this just looks disgusting to me. That's just because it's NFP Friday, but okay, let's build the overnight high and low. So let's go to the indicators. What the hell? Do they don't have any overnight high and low? Do I have to build this myself? What the hell is an unfinished auction? Oh, what? No, take that out. That's stupid. Indicators. Okay, so let's just do the deep trades. Just do that for now. Where is that? Depth of market will take that. Deep trades. Deep trades right here. Boom. Take that. What else we take? Deep delta. Sure. See how it plays. Or is it big trades? I don't know which one it is. Is it big trades or deep trades? Okay, so we do not need delta. Okay, let's take that out. big trades. Let's hide that, see what it looks like. Okay, well this delta looks horrible. I have to change the settings on that. And I can't really see the values of the big trades. Color settings, well, let's go bid, let's go bright blue. Actually, let me see. My friend has a good setting for this. Okay, so ask is blue? I think so. Oh my god, what the hell was that sweep? What the hell did we just do there? Custom. Let's go blue first and then yeah. So his blue looks like this. So put that here. So that's like a light blue, no? Let's see. Apply. Yeah, it looks close enough. And then obviously I need red for the bid. It's a darker red. It's like this. Oh no, it's a bit darker than that. That's too dark. Too dark still. Or maybe it's the blue that's not popping. I think it's the blue. The red is fine now. Now it's changed to blue. Needs to be darker. It's, oh my god, this is retarded. This is too dark, too bright. I think that's fine. Stick with that. And bid text. Let's see. Um, text settings. Show some. Yeah, let's show that. It's not the exact same as his though. His shows the difference of delta as well. That's important. Okay, it shows it here, but there's no sum. It shows both. Yeah, obviously, I'm sure we could change it somehow. Ooh, we could have two charts, okay. Alright, we'll keep this there for now. Um, Number of levels. Oh, maybe let's go 100. This doesn't look right. I'm gonna ask him. I'm gonna figure this out, but keep this there for now. That's fine for now. Yep. And let's change the big trades alert. So obviously it shows me, I don't want to click to see what it actually was. I want to see for myself. So let's go to deep trades and let's change this. The bid color, I mean, okay, that looks retarded. Text settings. I need to look at Yosh's video on this. It's somewhere here. Deep chart, deep chart. Okay. Let me just import a template and go from there. Let's change it by importing a template. That is the best way to do it. So let's just save all our progress for now. Let's go to Master Black, save as Master Black, and let's import my friend's template here. Let's open this. So yeah, I don't have to do all the work myself. Yeah, that seems kind of retarded. So I don't need everything that he's using here, but you can see the amount of deep trades, like it's kind of insane. Let's go to the 1 minute. But I do like the template. I like it. Yeah. I would just. Do I need the delta? I mean, it shows you some important stuff. What do I keep here and what do I not keep? So let me just change the. Yeah, look how much work he's put into this. Yeah. Yeah, let's just do this, bro. I'm not building my own. Too lazy for that. OHLC looks better. Let's go to the. I need to add my overnight high-low indicators. Okay, so this is pretty good. It's a great start. I can obviously easily improve this for sure. And I could definitely see myself streaming with this setup. It looks clean as hell. Shows a lot of info as well. So guys, yeah, so for the people that stuck around, there might be a little something at the end, so just stay tuned, if you know what I mean. Might be a little something at the end, but you don't know when it's ending. I could end at any moment, so stay on your feet. All right, let's change something. Let's go to the price. Ooh, that looks kind of clean. W low, yeah. Yeah, it looks kind of clean. Ooh, maybe we don't even need the background. This looks clean. This looks clean. Let me try white. This is kind of clean, no? I could rock this. I could definitely rock this. I don't really like the black. I think I might just rock this. Or, I mean, at this point, why even have green as a candle color? Why not just have a grayscale entirely? I mean, that looks kind of bad, actually. Or maybe I just go the Ninja Trader route. I think I just run the Ninja Trader route. I like green and red. Some people say like it affects their bias and whatnot, but it doesn't affect me. We'll just go NT, bring back the homeschool look of Ninja Trader, and get some blue and get some red, or green and red. Okay, that looks disgusting. But whatever we finish here, I'll be using this on stream. So my green is much brighter. Got it. Yeah, that's better. And the red is fine. And the border, maybe we tone it down a bit. Mm, maybe we have to abandon the Ninja Trader look. What do you guys think? I need some feedback here. Does this look like pleasing on the eyes? Not really. Maybe. I guess it's not that bad. Looks just like my Ninja Trader. It's a bit hard to see, right? The bubbles don't really pop as much. That's the only issue. That's the only issue. It's harder to like visualize the bubbles. Maybe I have to change the bubbles color. Someone thinks it's good, someone thinks it's not that good. Yeah, I'm torn. Let's see if I can change the bubbles color. If not, I think we'll just run my friend's settings. It's the homeschool look of Ninja Trader though. There's just something about it that makes me trade better. That's the thing. Like I actually trade better. I might have to sacrifice and just thug it out. Deep trades. So that is the text color. Okay. And this is the bubble itself. Okay. So let's change the bubble from purple and blue to uh, maybe blue and red. Okay. Not that bad. It kind of pops. Yeah. Kind of pops. I know it is really messy, but once I eliminate like everything else, it kind of pops. I mean, I don't know. I don't know what to think. I'm not a fan of the blue purple. Yeah, me neither. Let me look at my old motive wave setup. Or no, Yoshi's old motive wave setup. Or let's just go bigger blue. Or let's go like black. Hold on, hold on. I could maybe cook here. Ooh. Okay, but you don't know which is, yeah, you don't know which is buy and sell. If there's a way I could just shade the, damn. No, this looks disgusting. I'm sorry you guys had to see this. Let's just go red and green. Let's just go simple. Red and green. Hmm. Yeah, that's fine. I like that. Simple. It's very easy to visualize, you know, that's what we want. And uh, what do you guys think? I like the Ninja Trader, just change the blue and purple. What should I change the bid and ask colors to? What would like pop out into this? This looks a bit too messy, like everything's the same color. Looks like Easter. Uh, you guys know what's funny? Someone I know asked me to learn, and he's a friend of mine, or I mean, not a friend of mine. He's someone that, I've hung out with in the past, and he saw me making all this money, and he asked me to learn trading, and I was like, sure, I'll teach you some stuff, and then, I was just too lazy. I was like, I don't think I can actually. Um, I just sent him like two videos, and then he was like, okay, so how do I learn? So I was like, I sent him to Yush, send him over to Yush, and he goes to Yush and he sees $99 and he said it's too much. He said, "Is there any resource I can utilize to learn for free? 99 is too much, bro. If you can't invest 99 in your own education, I mean, I understand if there's alternatives out there, but Yush is a great teacher. Like I'm saying, go learn from him, right? To this guy. It's just like funny to me. Dimmer for bid ask. All right, let's see. These bubbles are very important though. Is the candle color really that important? It is like my signature look though from NinjaTrader. Oh God, what do I do? Opacity. Maybe it's the opacity 20 and 50. Okay, not bad. Now maybe if we change the color, it doesn't have to be the exact same scheme. Or it could be. I mean, wait, maybe if I change the opacity a little more. 75 and 30. This could cook actually. This could actually cook if you ask me. This ain't that bad. It looks a bit weird, but it ain't that bad. 65 and maybe 25. This is not horrible. Not horrible. 59. Yeah, okay. I could see myself using this. Okay. And what if we change the colors a bit? Let's just go, I don't know, black for the ask. So it's like selling, right? It's like dark order selling. Um, and maybe bid is white. I don't know. This reminds me of something. I don't know what it reminds me of, but this does not look good. If there's a way for this to shade itself, that would be good. Hollow fill. No, that's not it. Okay, the black is fine, I think. Let's change the white to gold, maybe? Or orange. Something's off. Something's off. Something is off. I don't know what is off. It's pissing me off. Maybe it's the chart scheme. I think we just ditch NinjaTrader, bro. I think we just ditch it. It served its purpose long enough. I don't think we're gonna get further with that schematic. Oh my god, that's so bad. Okay. It's easier to see the bubbles for sure. And price, let's change this. Let's go black. Let's go black. Let's go green ICT. Let's go black. Ah, this looks cartoony, right? Okay, and save. One, two, three, four, five, six. Six. I don't know, man. Maybe I just gotta do this myself. I thought I could finish this on stream like really quickly. Just I don't see anything that I'm liking. Just looks all goofy. Let's just go back to what this guy had. My friend. This is what we had. I mean, this looks good, but template, load, NQ. This is Yosh's, I think. Yeah, no, I don't like this. Yeah, maybe I just use these colors. Yeah, it's not the end of the world. I'll have to figure something out. What's the market doing though? Let's go back to NinjaTrader because I don't know how to visualize anything on this. This is why I need NinjaTrader. Like, I know I can see price moving, but like, look at how I like the minute I lay my eyes on NinjaTrader, I can be fine. Like, I just know what's going on. Very easy. I'm just so used to this. And I like how it turns white when you zoom it out, so you can kind of just see like the way the market's trending and stuff. And here it's like nice. Yeah, but we're still inside the opening range. We made our way back in. NFP, we took out the NFP low, coming back up, and we're just kind of chopping around. I don't think market has any more um, interest. But so let's see if I can make like so whatever money I make on this next trade, I'm just gonna give away. I'm gonna try to make like $50. Let's see. Okay, wait. We might make a lot more than that. Alright, I don't know how much I made on that. Okay, but it was more than 50. Let's just say it's a $75 giveaway. Whatever I made on that trade. I'm gonna withdraw that, so here, wait. Let's give me a second. Give me a second. Okay. Give me a sec. 1 second. Okay, so let's do a $75 giveaway. It's pretty big, and or we could. Okay, I'll give you guys options. Friday, you know, we could either do. Oh wait, sorry, people are asking me. Just make 1K LOL. Oh my God, and give that all away. The only thing is now once I did withdraw that, it becomes taxable. So like, if I just make money and give it away, it's not that simple. Unless I was living in Dubai, obviously. But yeah, it's not that simple. But yeah, do you guys want to do like multiple winners or just one winner? So let's just say if it's multiple winners, we would do like um, 3 winners or like let's just say 50 is the minimum. So it would either be 2 winners of 50 or 1 winner of 75 or like or we could do also like 4 winners. I don't know. Just put some stuff in the chat. Let's see what you guys think. There's not a lot of you here, right? So if you guys split it more evenly, there'd be more chances to win something. Yeah, multiple. Everyone gets to eat. Okay, so what would you guys want the minimum to be? Like, I mean, like $20 is not like anything much. I mean, it's like a lunch, but we could do like 5 winners of like 20 or like 4 winners of like 30 or 3 winners of 40. That's not that bad. No, 3 winners of yeah, I guess 3 winners of 40, 5 winners of 50, and 1 winner of 100. We could do something like that. So let me just see what you guys are thinking. Obviously, I don't mind, right? I just made this money on live, so I'm gonna withdraw it. Drop some comments. Let's see what you guys are thinking. All right, let me just put it into Claude because I don't really know how to. Wait, I hate this because it always shows my like personal stuff. Is there okay? Let me just blank screen OBS for a second because I give away way too much personal info on stream. This is smart. Anytime I open up something, I'm gonna do this. This is smart. Okay. Because then, if I show something personal, then I have to go into whatever I showed, change my password, and then I also have to unlist the stream and let it go for like another, like it has to process, so it takes 24 hours to process the stream, and then I have to unlist it so you guys can't rewatch the stream, and then I have to go and trim it out, and then it publishes. It's just a whole hassle. So yeah, I'll be doing that. And once I move to Florida, I'm gonna have like a couple monitors, so that'll be good as well. But yeah, let me plug in what you guys are saying here into the Claude. Have it tell me. Well, actually, it's pretty easy. Okay, let's just see. You did it on live, and can you withdraw on the spot? Okay, first let me withdraw that. Actually, good point. Uh, I'm actually gonna be risk off. Like I'm not going to be trading live much anymore. Um, just want to chill. Been pretty burnt out recently. So here, how do I do that? Once again, let me just blank my stream. I don't want to show anything. Let me get to the withdraw page and then I'll show you guys. So I'm liquidating this live account basically. I don't want to trade live anymore. It was a nice ass trade we took. Caught like over 200 points, but like I'm kind of just over it. Withdraw. How much do I get to withdraw? I know the funds have to settle. It should tell me here. Hold on. Withdrawable funds. It only lets me withdraw 406 right now, so we'll just do that. So giveaway. So how much do we need to give away? Let me unblank the screen. Are you gonna shift to deep charts? Yes, yes I am. What's your X? I'll give you follow. It's just Master Black 64. Follow my Instagram and TikTok, guys. Especially TikTok, please. Please, if you guys want to support me, just go and comment on any video I post on TikTok. Like, I think I'm shadow banned there. Like, none of my posts get any traction. Um, but yeah, let's withdraw this. $405, right? Yeah, 405, but let me just withdraw 150 for now. Minimum withdrawal amount $20, 1% processing fee. Fees will be deducted at end of trading day. All right, let me just show you guys how it looks. So this is how it looks. Obviously, here's my name, but everybody knows my name because I get paid out with props. But yeah, so this is how it looks when you go to withdraw, and I can withdraw up to 400, but I mean, okay, I'll just do 400. I'll withdraw the rest later. And let me, if I click submit, will it show personal information? That's what I'm worried. So I'll click withdraw. It's processing. Okay, withdrawal was successfully submitted. So, yep. So obviously this is only small live, but you can see here that I've taken good payouts out of it. I got a 4K payout out of it, a 900 payout out of it, 2,000 payout out of it, $850 payout out of it, 1.9K payout out of it, and then now 400, and then I'm gonna just withdraw it down. No point. I just want to be risk off. TikTok is banned in India? What? Oh my God, I did not know that. No, I have one big monitor, Ivan. It's one big monitor. It's like 48 inches or 49 inches. In Florida, when I get my new setup, I will definitely do something with more monitors. But yeah, it's fine. You guys know I'm legit. I'm not like LARPing or anything. I don't need to hide. But sometimes I want to like not show my personal info. So yeah. Anyways, took that out. I'll withdraw the rest when the funds settle. Obviously, I made 1.3 on it. But yeah, daily payouts. Interesting that people hate going live. Well, this is my own live account, but yeah, that's true. You do get daily payouts in live accounts. Some of them. So, anyways, what are you guys saying? You guys are saying three, I think. I see some fours. Four winners, four for 30, three, three, three. I see a lot of threes, I can't lie. I only see like two fours. Yeah, I see a lot of threes. I think we do threes. You are the real G. Oh, appreciate you, man. Thank you guys. Appreciate everyone staying around. You know, we've been streaming for 2 hours now. I didn't think I'd still have 18 people watching me. Yeah, everyone's saying three. Okay, we'll do three, guys. We'll do three. Don't worry. Three. Do I take another trade and try to up the stakes? Up the winning amount? Do I? Or okay, are you guys fine with, let's say, 30, no, 40 for three? So 40, 40, 40, 120? Or do you guys want me to try and take a trade here and increase it by like a little bit? So like, I don't know, 50, 60 per person? That'd be nice. Yeah, I think I said 3 for 40. Yeah, but what would you guys want? Obviously, I'll try to increase it to maybe like 50. All right, I think I can increase it. I think I can increase it, right? Let's take a sell. I don't know. I'm just gonna eyeball it. Or actually, let me look at Ninja Trader. Gotta lock in here. Gotta lock in. This is for the people. Join the ask. Okay, we're in. Yeah, I think it'll hit. So if this hits, I'll increase it to 50 per person for 3 winners. So we need like 7 points on NQ, MNQ. It's moving a bit slow, but oof, pumping. Seems like a decent spot though. All right, guys, NQ just paid for your giveaway. You guys can say thanks to NQ, not me. Obviously, I had to do the work, but what if I lose? I'll still pay you guys out. It doesn't matter. Doesn't matter, bro. You think I care about the loss? Come on now. We can't force your trade, bro. It's a small amount. It's like 5 points in the market. Guys, I've done thousands of $150 days in my time. I know how to make money. Trust me. Okay, $50 for 3 lucky winners. I'll get you guys sorted out in this stream itself. Um, Obviously use code black at firms, and let me start the entries. So, um, bro took a trade to pay us, right? Oh, you know what would have been cool if I put meta glasses on and it's fine. Who cares? Yeah, look, I had the right idea. We're actually that's the right place to get short off 80. Went for 30 points. It was like it felt random, but a lot of times you'll get reactions off 80 and 20, so worth a shot. And you could see here I rejected here before and like pretty similar as well. So right, even on these random ass trades, I still be printing 40 points, right? Your mic has a static. I know my mic is dog shit. I know, guys. Um, that's gonna be changing when I get a new setup in Florida. So bear with me for 3 more weeks. I know it's gonna be a long ass time. Bear with me for 3 more weeks, and then you're gonna have a nice, background, nice everything. But as far as giveaway wise, is there any easy way where I don't have to manually enter? There's gotta be. Or do you guys want to play a game? So there's this game called Scribble.io. Or do you guys just want like giveaway? I'm just wondering. I just want to feel the waters. Um, I would like to play a game. I'm kind of fried right now, bored. A game to win it, it's a little bit of skill involved. And top 3 get a prize, $50. Nate wants to play the game. I want to play the game. Please, please, guys, come on. Just say you want to play the game. Let's play the game. Don't spin the wheel. God, that's so boring. Spin, spin, spin. Everyone wants spin. It's fine. We'll do the spin. But next time we're doing the game. Next time we're doing the game. Because I'd be bored out here. Need some entertainment, guys. Come on. Instead of giving out money, I think platform gives would be great. I know it would be great, but I need you guys to use code Lucid or code Black on Lucid. All right. I think enough people are saying spin, so we might just have to spin. Okay, guess we're gonna spin the wheel. Right. You guys got it. Oh, man of the people. Can't go against the crowd. So spin we shall. Spin we shall. Give away. Next time though, we're playing game. I don't want to hear any excuses. Next time though, we're playing game. If you want to enter the giveaway, um, like up the stream and type in black. Please just enter it once. Make my life easier. People out here relying more on luck than skills. Yeah. How long is the stream delay on YouTube? I think like 20 seconds. Yeah, maybe less, maybe like 5 seconds. It's not too bad, right? I mean, when I'm trading market open, you guys see. All right, please, guys, one entry, please, one entry. Don't spam. I don't want to go and redo. It's exhausting work. Okay, so let's do this quick. Or it can add an image. Oh, never mind. Why is Nate entering the giveaway? My own moderator is entering the giveaway. And mind you, this mod doesn't do shit. I don't think I've seen him do one mod duty this whole stream. No, I'm playing. He just mod for fun. Yeah, okay, guys. If there's any easier way to do giveaway, like other than me manually typing it out, let me know. I would just take that down for the future. So $50 per person. I'll be paying you guys, right here on stream. NQ paid for this, so say thank you to NQ, not me. Take screenshot to paste Claude. Okay, yeah, you're right, you're right. Why am I being so retarded? There's a bot for this, by the way? Bro, tell me about this bot, bruh. What the hell? What is trolling me? Alright. Let me take a screenshot, guys. I'm I feel like I'm picking cotton out in the fields, typing all these messages. There's one screenshot. Alex Sanchez, the last one. Am I retarded? Where is Alex Sanchez, the last person? Oh, right there. Yeah, I already see 2 entries from John Way. Come on, bro. Making my life harder. It's almost done. You said enter 5 more. Okay, yeah, I think I'm almost done. I think this is it. I think I got everyone, right? Just make sure. Oh, there's another person. Alright, no more after XPTCNC. Please, I can't do this anymore. Okay, let's see what Claude does. "33 entries? Wait, how many people do we have on stream? 25? Okay, obviously there's some people who entered more. Damn, that sucks. Taking money away from these poor folks. That sucks, that sucks. And then Daily Grands is the last one. Just entered now. Damn, moment of silence for those who didn't enter twice. Okay, 3 spins. Yeah, here we go. Daily Grands, the final entry, gets the first win. Okay. I have your Discord already, so just DM me. Next, just set 1 minute to enter. Okay, yeah, we'll do that. Next person. Wait, you don't see AB? No, you're right there. Yeah, you're right there. All right, Jana Kiram 7868, you are second winner. Please, so if you guys won and you haven't added me on Discord, I have some of you guys added already. Just add Master Black 64. Friend me, I'll friend you back, and I'll get you your money. Whoops, what the hell did I just do? Okay. Let me take out these winners so they don't win again. Okay. $50 for both of you coming your ways due to NQ. Why is there another wheel here? Remove it. Okay. Last one here. Wait, I thought it removed Daily Grands. What the hell? What? I thought I removed him. I don't know what just happened. Ah, anyways. Ooh, no way. I thought it was gonna be Gary. Alex Sanchez, you are the winner. So, DM me your DM me on Discord. I will send you guys your money right now. Right away. Let me square it away right now before I hop off stream. Come on, guys. Send me those friend requests. Yes, it is Master Black 64. GG's, everybody. One more for the culture, bro. I'm gonna have to give away $200 my own money. That's so. I'm gonna go broke doing that. GG's. DM me, guys. DM me. Waiting. All right, daily grands. There we go. You're never going broke? Yeah, I mean, I hope not. I friended you. Who was the other winners again? Uh, Jana Kiram and Alex Sanchez. Oh, Sanchi sent me a request. And then I need one more from the other winner. And if they don't, I will just respin it. No, I'd only do one more if they don't accept their prize. I see Sanchez and Daily Grands have sent me a request, but I'm waiting on the other winner. I'll give him like another minute or two. Oh, there we go. All right. There should be a 2-minute window. Yeah, I mean, obviously, I'll get this stuff figured out better and better as time goes on. But yeah, DM me, guys. Trying to get it sorted out right now. Damn, why does everyone always want Cash App? I don't have Cash App. All right, I sent one. One has been sent. Trying to do the other one right now. Yep, enjoy your weekend as well. Someone here is from India, and it's tough to send the money internationally, so they're asking for eval code, but God, no one uses my codes. I don't have any codes to give away. We'll figure something out. Okay, sent the other one as well, and we'll figure out the person in India. Figure out a way to get them their money. But yeah. All right, guys, I will call it a day. Thank you guys for joining the stream. Obviously, I appreciate you guys being here. As you see me on Monday, I should have the new deep charts all set up. I'm gonna configure it and try to get it set up for myself over the weekend or maybe later today. Um, but yeah, that's I'll call it a stream there. So thank you guys for joining, and I will catch you guys on Monday. Peace out.